Tired of waiting for your paycheck to clear? Dreaming of a financial hub where your money lands quickly and effortlessly, ready to invest, spend, or save? What if I told you that turning that dream into a reality with Wealthsimple Direct Deposit is not only possible but incredibly simple? For too long, the traditional banking system has kept us tethered to outdated processes, slow transfers, and a frustrating disconnect between our earnings and our investment goals. You work hard for your money, and you deserve a system that works just as hard for you. Imagine a world where your salary hits your Wealthsimple account, not just a day earlier, but instantly ready for you to deploy it towards your financial aspirations. No more weekend waits, no more funds on hold messages, just seamless integration of your income with your wealth-building journey. This isn't some far-off futuristic fantasy. This is the power of setting up direct deposit with your Wealthsimple checking account. And in this comprehensive guide, we're going to break down every single step, making sure you can unlock the full potential of your paychecks. We're going to cover everything from finding your essential Wealthsimple account details, because knowing where your money is going is step one, right? To navigating the often tricky waters of your employer's payroll system, whether it's a big-name platform like ADP or Workday, or something a bit more bespoke. We'll even touch on how to set up direct deposit for those crucial government payments, like your tax refund from the CRA, ensuring every dollar finds its way home. But before we dive deep into the how-to, let's talk about why this matters. Why should you even bother switching your direct deposit to Wealthsimple? Well, beyond the obvious convenience and the immediate availability of your funds for spending, saving, or investing, there are some pretty compelling benefits. Wealthsimple offers an attractive interest rate on your checking account balance, and with direct deposit, you could even qualify for an interest rate boost. Imagine earning more on your everyday money, simply by having it arrive where it's most efficient for you. Plus, getting paid up to a day earlier? Who doesn't want that extra head start on their financial week? This isn't just about moving money, it's about optimizing your financial flow, making your money work harder, and taking control of your financial future. So, if you're ready to ditch the archaic banking delays and embrace a smarter, faster way to manage your income, then stick around. This video is your definitive guide to setting up direct deposit into Wealthsimple. Let's get started. The very first and most crucial step in setting up direct deposit is to locate your unique Wealthsimple direct deposit information. Think of this as your financial address within the Wealthsimple ecosystem. Without these specific numbers, your employer or the government won't know where to send your funds. To find this information, you'll want to open your Wealthsimple app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap on your checking account. It's important to note that direct deposit is specifically for your Wealthsimple checking account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to open one before proceeding. Wealthsimple's checking account is designed to be your primary spending account, making it the perfect place for your paychecks to land. Once you've selected your checking account, look for an option that says More or Account Details, or even Set up Direct Deposit if you haven't enabled it before. Tapping on this will reveal the magic numbers, your institution number, transit number, and your unique Wealthsimple account number. For Wealthsimple, the institution number is 703, and the transit, or branch, number is 00001. Your account number will be an 8-digit number specific to your individual checking account. You might also see a routing number, which for Wealthsimple is 0703000001. It's incredibly important to write these down accurately or, even better, use the convenient copy icon next to each number in the app. This ensures there are no transcription errors, which can cause significant delays in your direct deposit. In some cases, especially when dealing with employers or government agencies, you might be asked for a void check or a direct deposit form. Don't worry, Wealthsimple has you covered. You can easily download a digital void check right from the app or the Wealthsimple website. On the mobile app, after navigating to your checking account and then More or Direct Deposit info, you'll usually find an option to download void check. On the desktop version, after selecting your checking account under Accounts, you'll see Download Void Check on the right side of the page. This PDF document will contain all the necessary banking information, including your name, full account number, and Wealthsimple's bank logo, making it super easy to provide to whoever needs it. Remember, only digital, unedited PDFs are accepted, no photos of physical checks. Now that you have your Wealthsimple direct deposit information handy, the next step is to update your payroll details with your employer. This is where most people might encounter a slight variation in the process, as different companies use different payroll systems. However, the core information you need to provide remains the same. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.